Good morning, kids. Today we will start our new poem that is Merry Go Round. Chapter 9, Class 1, English. The targeted learning outcomes of this poem are students will be able to listen with attention, improve vocabulary, learn spelling, and able to speak short sentences also. इस कविता को पढ़ने के बाद बच्चे ध्यान से सुनेंगे, अपनी शब्दावली में सुधार करेंगे, साथ ही कुछ नए स्पेलिंग सीखेंगे और छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. So kids, first of all, tell me, do you love to play? Yes or no? Tell me. I think all children love to play. Am I right? Yes? Very good. Playing is very good for our health. So you have to play every day. You have to play indoor, outdoor games, different types of games as you like. Because playing is also an exercise and this make our body fit and fine and we live healthy. So everyone have to play games. I also play games. Kids, here are some pictures. So see these pictures and tell me what are there in the following pictures. इन चित्रों में क्या है, क्या दिखाई दे रहा आपको इनमें? एनिमल्स, चिल्ड्रन और प्लांट्स. यस, चिल्ड्रंस. वेरी गुड. देयर आर मैनी चिल्ड्रंस. व्हाट आर द चिल्ड्रन डूइंग? ये बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? स्टडी कर रहे हैं या फिर कोई अदर एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं? यस, प्लेइंग. वेरी गुड. ऑल द किड्स आर प्लेइंग डिफरेंट गेम्स. वेरी गुड. नाउ किड्स, अगेन here are some pictures. So observe them and tell me, have you ever seen these types of things anywhere? प्यारे बच्चों, इन चित्रों में जो चीजें दिखाई दे रही है आपको, जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, क्या उनको आपने कहीं देखा है? यस और नो? यस. ओके, देन वेयर हैव यू सीन दीज थिंग्स? इन चीजों को, इन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को आपने कहाँ देखा है? रिमेम्बर एंड टेल मी. यस, in public park. Very good. You can see kids these objects in your school garden, in your colony park, and in entertainment park also. And sometime you can see in a fair also. Now can you tell me what are these? What are these objects? Yes, these are swings. ये झूले हैं and I think you all children want to play on these things, these swings. Now can you identify the name of this swing? This is a type of swing which goes round and round. Can you tell me the name of this swing? Yes? Merry-go-round. Very good. This is merry-go-round. Chakridar jhula. You can see this type of swing in a fair also and in an entertainment park. Very good. So kids, let's read a beautiful poem that is Merry-go-round. Chakridar jhula. In this poem there is a child. She is enjoying the swinging on the merry-go-round and she tells us how she feels. The writer of the poem is Dorothy W. Burch. किड्स, इस कविता में एक लड़की है जो चक्रीदार झूले पर झूलती है और उसको चक्रीदार झूले पर झूलने पर किस तरह से महसूस होता है वो हमें इस कविता में बताती है। डोरोथी डब्ल्यू ब्रच इज द राइटर ऑफ दिस पोएम। Let's start our poem. First we recite our poem. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. I climbed up on a big brown horse and it went up and down, around and round, and up and down, around and round, and up and down. I sat high up on a big brown horse and rode around on the merry-go-round and rode around on the merry-go-round. I rode around on the merry-go-round, around and around and round, and it's regularly going on. So dear kids, let's understand the meaning of this poem. I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round. जो छोटी लड़की है इस कविता में कहती है कि मैं चक्रीदार झूले पर चढ़ गई और यह मुझे गोल गोल घुमाने लगा। I climbed up on a big brown horse. मैं एक बड़े भूरे रंग के घोड़े पर बैठ गई। And it went up and down. और यह ऊपर नीचे गया। Around and round and up and down, around and round and again up and down. लड़की कहती है कि जब वह झूले पर बैठ गई, घोड़े पर बैठ गई, तो वह झूला चक्करदार झूले में गोल गोल घूमने लगा। वह कभी ऊपर गया, कभी नीचे, कभी गोल गोल, फिर ऊपर और कभी नीचे। इस तरह चक्रीदार झूला घूमने लगा। I sat high up on a big brown horse. वह एक भूरे रंग के बड़े घोड़े पर ऊंची जगह पर बैठ गई। And rode around on the merry-go-round. और चक्करदार झूले में उस घोड़े को दौड़ाने लगी। And rode around on the merry-go-round. I rode around on the merry-go-round. और इस तरह मैं चक्करदार झूले में उस घोड़े पर बैठकर उसको गोल गोल घुमाने लगी। चक्करदार झूले में चारों ओर गोल गोल घुमाने लगी। अराउंड चारों तरफ, एंड राउंड और गोल गोल, एंड राउंड और गोल गोल। इस तरह मैं झूले में घूमती रही चारों तरफ। डोरोथी डब्ल्यू ब्रच इज द राइटर, लेखिका है इस कविता की। किड्स, वी हैव लर्न सम न्यू वर्ड्स, so let's do them. First new word is merry-go-round. 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 This is a type of swing. यह एक झूले का नाम है जिसको हम हिंदी में चक्करदार झूला या चक्री झूला भी कहते हैं। You can see here a picture. This is merry-go-round. You can see this type of merry-go-round in your school playground, in your public park also. And this is also a type of merry-go-round. You can see this type of swing merry-go-round in a fair and in a entertainment park. Sentence: there is a merry-go-round in my school. Second new word, around. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. meaning on every side, चारों ओर. Sentence, there are many plants around the house. Round, R-O-U-N-D, round, means in a shape of circle, गोल आकृति में. Round means गोल. Sentence, the merry-go-round moves round and round. In, I-N, in का मतलब होता है अंदर. Sentence, a kid is sitting in the box. Out, O-U-T, out. Out means बाहर. Sentence, please go out the room. On, O-N, on. On means ऊपर. Sentence, the boy is sitting on a chair. Up, U-P, up. Up means ऊपर. उठना या फिर उठाना. Sentence, please help me to get up. Down, D-O-W-N, down means नीचे. This is the opposite word of up. Sentence, the man is looking down. So dear kids, I hope you learn lots of things from this poem. So keep learning, keep smiling and ever be happy. Thank you.